talk about what's going on so far in 2023. After a tough year, do you believe the S&P 500 is actually up 15.58% so far, and the NASDAQ is up 31.7% as of this taping? So Scott, even after a recent pullback in August, what are your thoughts about the market now and going forward?
Matt, it's been a pretty rough start to August after a really nice beginning of the year, first half of the year, there's no doubt. And it's very easy for investors and financial advisors to point to seasonality and how this time of the year is typically met with higher volatility. And I think that that's a very short-sighted narrative, because very recently, last week, we received economic data, inflationary data specifically, PPI and CPI, along with the University of Michigan inflationary readings showing a better than expected data.
If you'd like to review our preliminary data,
pointing to the fact that the efforts that the Fed made over now more than a year have been working. So when we see a situation like this where the markets are trading sideways or down and we're faced with good news, we want to be cautious. We want to understand, is it just noise?
Loud noises!
That's affecting the markets? Are we going through a period of market consolidation off of a large run? Or are we on the footsteps of a further correction?
What is it and why?
As we look deeper into the data, we don't believe that we're on the footsteps of a further correction. We do believe that the efforts the Fed has taken are working. And we believe that if investors can look through the uncertainty and dollar cost average, they'll be rewarded in 6 to 9 months out when we're forecasting Federal Reserve rate cuts in the first half of 2024. So we believe that investors should do what sometimes feels wrong, which is buying and investing in the face of uncertainty.